Hi all, let's see the difference between lock variable and the turn variable. So lock variable is our solution number 1. It is also a busy waiting solution, and similarly turn variable is also a busy waiting solution, and it is solution number 4, which we have discussed in earlier videos. So if we see the difference between lock and turn variable, in lock variable, lock also uses two values, one is 0 and 1, and turn variable also uses two values, 0 and 1. But here 0 means critical section is vacant. Okay, and if critical section is vacant, then any process can enter the critical section. And it is not a two process solution. It can be implemented by more than two processes also. Okay, and one represent critical section is occupied. So if critical section is occupied, no other process can enter the critical section. Okay, and in turn variable, 0 represent process P0 enter the critical section, and 1 represent process P1 enter the critical section. So definitely it is two process solution. Okay, and lock variable is two or more than two process solution. So you can call it as a many process solution, more than two processes solution. So two process can also implement this solution, and more than two processes can also implement this solution. Okay. The other thing is, here mutual exclusion is not provided. What is mutual exclusion? Mutual exclusion says that only one process can enter the critical section at a time. But we already see the assembly code as well as the high level code of this lock variable, and we will understand that by seeing the code of the lock variable, we'll understand that this particular solution does not provide the mutual exclusion requirement. Okay, but in case of turn variable, it provides mutual exclusion. So mutual exclusion is provided. Why it is provided? Because it says if the turn value is 0, process P0 have the right to enter the critical section, and if the turn value is 1, process P1 have the right to enter the critical section. Okay, so that is the major difference between lock variable and turn variable. Okay, and if you see other aspects, the other aspects are same. In the lock variable itself, we after failing the mutual exclusion, we will not talk about the other requirements of the synchronization mechanism. But here we will discuss. We were discussing that the turn variable provides mutual exclusion, bounded waiting, and architectural neutrality, but it does not provide the progress. Okay, so this is the difference between lock variable and turn variable. In the next video, we will see the next synchronization mechanism solution.